Hello, let's learn some house essentials. I am in my new apartment and I need to furnish it. So join me in this slow English podcast. I hope you learn some new vocabulary today. In my last video, I showed you guys what I had bought so far. But now I've bought even more. So let's learn some house essentials in English. I bought a couch. I love this couch. It's so comfy. A comfy couch is very important for a home. I love the color and I think it really ties the room together. When something ties the room together, it means it really synchronizes with everything in the room and makes it special. What do you think of my new couch? Is it your style or maybe not so much? I got a plant, of course. Plants are the most important part of a home. And I want to fill this place up with plants completely. Plants bring abundance, prosperity, and money. It's a good idea to have plants in your home if you don't already. I got a mirror, of course. I love how mirrors look in a space like this. I just have to be very careful. My dad says that mirror can cause a fire, supposedly. I don't know, but I love how that mirror looks right there. I don't want to move it away from the sun because it looks so good right there. But my dad says the sun reflecting off of the mirror can cause a fire. I don't know. I love how it looks right there. I don't want to move it someplace else. I also have my yoga mat, of course. I hide it behind the mirror just to keep things looking tidy. Tidy and clean with everything in its place. I also got another plant, actually. This plant is a Brazilian tree, I think. I'll explain the sticky notes in a minute. Don't worry. I love Brazil trees. I've always had a Brazil tree in my room, and they're so pretty. The air feels so much cleaner, and they don't need any sun, and they barely need water. only once a week. I even keep a compost to water my two plants with the nutrients from my compost. Do you have any plants? Do you keep a compost for your plants? I got some throw blankets. Throw blankets are smaller than the average blanket. This is what a normal blanket looks like. And this is what a throw blanket looks like. See? They're much smaller. You just use them to throw on when you're watching a movie or just working, I guess. I got these side tables to keep some junk in, like my jump rope or my exercise bands. I just like these so I can set my cup on them while I'm watching a movie. Now, one of my favorite parts, the projector. Ah, this projector looks so nice at night. It's such a big screen. If you're deciding between buying a TV or considering buying a projector, I have your answer. Get the projector. I love mine. I have been watching Game of Thrones on this every night. I just started watching this series. It's so good. I'm obsessed. I have been watching Game of Thrones. What have you been watching? Remember, we use have been when something started in the past but continues in the present. I have this little whiteboard that I write down little things that I have to do. It's my to-do list. Ignore all of this mess of boxes and Ethernet cables and my pile of books left in the corner. There's still a lot of work to be done. But now, moving on to the kitchen, I bought 2 swivel chairs. Swivel chairs because they swivel from side to side. They are perfect for us to eat at our little kitchen bar. Also, excuse the broom. I was sweeping and I just left the entire mess in the corner. But speaking of brooms, I bought a mop. I can finally mop. And of course, I also had to get a bucket. Now, the most important part, the refrigerator. Finally, I was eating tuna every day, but finally we got the refrigerator. It was so stressful, actually, because we ordered the refrigerator, it arrived, and it was installed. We waited 24 hours and then we turned it on. We plugged in the refrigerator and it didn't work. It wouldn't get cold. So all of our food went bad. The fruit and vegetables and milk and yogurt all went bad. So we had to call the repairman, and he came and fixed our refrigerator. We had to pay more, of course, but nevertheless, we have a fridge. Something else that's very important, the tuppers, the Tupperware, big tuppers, small tuppers, and medium-sized tuppers. Some more spices, sauces, and cooking oil, a knife holder, more plates, more mugs, more spoons, more forks, some butter knives for spreading butter, a whisk, a cutting board, dirty from my berries, a cheese grater, and a lime squeezer. Some little things like paper towels, trash bags, a coffee machine. Even though I don't drink coffee, my roommate does. I also got a brand new rug. I think it ties in with the room perfectly. That's my new ring light. I got a toothbrush holder and a bath towel. And I got some new things for my videos. My mom bought me these bee lights for Miss Honey, a new tripod with a ring light, and a pillow to be more comfortable recording. I also had to get these earplugs because it's so noisy outside. I couldn't sleep without them. This is my desk filled with lots of junk. My lotion. This thing is amazing. Do you know what this is? Some sticky notes, my portable charger, my nail clippers, a humidifier, a mug with some coffee, my glasses, my computer, and the mouse. And now, let me explain all of these sticky notes. This one's a little bit smudged. I got a tip from a new friend of mine. She's Chinese, and when she learned English, she said that she used to put sticky notes with the names in English on every object in her house. That way, she learned the name of everything around her in English first. Not unnecessary English words that you never use, therefore, you forget eventually. With the sticky notes, You see them all day. Your brain is always thinking in English because of those sticky notes. So I'm doing the same with Chinese. I followed my friend's advice and I wrote down every word from around my house onto a sticky note, and I stuck them onto each object. My computer, 电脑, my table, 桌子, my plant, 植物, and even on my kitchen chair, 椅子. That's been a super useful tip. I recommend you try it too. These were the essentials I bought for my home so far. I still have a few things to get, but my apartment isn't fully furnished yet. What is an essential in your home? What's the most important thing in your house? Mine is the couch. It makes any space feel like a home, and it lets me and my family, me and my friends sit down and laugh together. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, so I can focus on making more videos like these. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to learn comprehensible English in fun, easy ways. Never stop learning, guys. Bye.